Morning, it's currently 10 o'clock on Sunday. Me and Dad are about to embark on a little adventure. We're heading to the Brecon Beacons today for about 3 days, 3 nights, 4 days. Going to do some different hiking over the days and bring you along with us. We're travelling today, and we're going to, when we get there, we're going to go straight to do the 4 Waterfalls walk, and we're going to try and see if we can crack that out today. I think we'll probably get to Brecon around lunchtime, so maybe 12:30, crack out the 4 Waterfalls, and then we'll head to our youth hostel where we're staying. We've got like a little glamping pod, so it'll be nice. We'll keep you on over the next couple of days. I'm just currently waiting for him to come and get in the car, and then we're going to head off to Brecon, so see you there. So we've just arrived in Brecon after about 2.5 hours, and we're at the 4 Waterfalls car park now. We're about to head on down to see the 4 Waterfalls. Dad's just gone off to go pay for parking. It's about £4, but it's currently 1:30, so we think this will take us about 2-3 hours. And yeah, we'll head down to see the 4 Waterfalls. I can hear them, they're that way. Just set off from the car park, heading along the trail to do the waterfalls. I think we're going to head to Squidera first, which is the one right at the bottom, and then come back up and see the other ones, but we're going to see how we're doing. We don't want to, we're tight on the light really, so we'll see how we get on, and when we get down to the waterfalls I'll whack out the GoPro to try and get some better shots, and then we'll just see how we're going from there. So we've been walking for about 10-15 minutes, and we've just got to the first waterfall. I'm not going to try and pronounce the name, but it's the one that's right at the top, and it's just coming up down here, so I'll show you that in a minute. First waterfall's just round here. You can probably hear it already. Sigridlin something. It's very slippery on these rocks, but it's just round here, you can hear it. I've just got to the turning, as you can see on here. I just got to this turning here to go up here and see the second and third waterfall. Dad's just in front of me, and we're currently descending down this rocky path. As you can see him, he's just there, currently descending down. Some of the footage will be a bit weird. I've just realised that my phone's recording in 4K, but the GoPro records in 1080. So the colours and all the, basically whenever I'm on my phone it's going to look really nice, but whenever I'm on here it's going to look a bit messy. So yeah, you'd have to just deal with that fact. But yeah, we've seen that first waterfall. We're heading to the second and the third. We're saving the big one to last because we want to have a little bit of fun and go behind that one. So yeah, we'll see what it's like. Dad's just there, just in front of me, just there. But I'm using the GoPro for quite a lot of the angled footage because the fire just can't get high enough. So this is second waterfall, absolutely amazing. Dad's just up there, just there, taking a video and a photo. But that is the second waterfall. If I was a brave enough man, I'd go for a swim. But alas, I'm not a brave enough man, and so I will not be going for a swim. But look at that, absolutely phenomenal. Amazing. I don't even know if you can hear me down here. It's so loud. This just round the corner here is the third waterfall. Apparently, according to him, it's the most impressive. So come round this corner and we'll see, I suppose. Try not to slip over while I'm doing this. I mean, the other one was more impressive. Third waterfall completed. Gonna head on down, back the way we came to the fourth waterfall and go see that one. I think that's the one where you can go behind us. So. We're now heading to the last waterfall. It's a 10-minute walk away. Sigrid Yira, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's February, the start of Feb in Wales, and it is roasting. That is utterly incredible. Look at that. I'm getting wet here. The water's spraying off of me. And you can see there's people behind it. Just there. Loads of people just behind it there. I'm going to walk behind it, come out somewhere over there. But that is amazing. Utterly, utterly incredible. Yeah, you can feel the spray, can't you? Utterly incredible. I'm about to go behind the waterfall and I'm getting absolutely soaked, stood right here. And there's so much spray coming off of this thing. It's utterly incredible. Look at that. That's awesome. I'm going to try and get some shots of the GoPro. Dad's getting a shot of me walking behind it, but yeah, that is incredible. right over there. Being cheap cameraman. I don't even know if you can hear me. This water's so loud. It's insane. Look at that. As Dwayne Johnson says, the wonder of the world, the backside of water. Found a nice little location to have our coffees with that in the background. Lovely. Cheers, mate. So there we are. We've just got back to the car. We absolutely hammered the last couple of miles back to the car. We did it extremely quick. We tabbed it because we wanted to get back to the car before the sun completely set and it was dark. But we're now going to head over to where we're staying for the night, which is just at the bottom of Pennyvan. We're staying at a youth hostel. We've got like a little pod, so we'll head over there. Our youth hostel. Dad's just over there taking the stuff. We're staying in one of those glamping pods. I'd point, but my hands are all full. So this is our home for the next couple of days. I'll show you around the pod in a minute, but yeah, we've got it. This is where we are. We're going to a halfway house. We didn't want to camp, so yeah, almost the end of the first day. I'll show you, it's just up here. There he is with the beautiful sunset in the background. And there is the camping pod. There's Dad. This is our home for the next couple of days. There we are. We're at our youth hostel. We've got water warming up for the potatoes. We're going to do burgers, sausages in a roll with new potatoes and salad. This is really after that. We've got some wine, some beer. Brilliant. Currently just cooking dinner. Got myself a beer. It's about 4 or 5 degrees, I think. But we've settled into the pod. Food's all cooking just there. Got our potatoes there, burgers and sausages in there. Lovely. I'll show you a little bit around in a bit, but it's a bit dark at the moment, so. But yeah, got a thirsty ferret. Oh yeah, look at them. Oh, yummy. There you go, mate. Made it to Brecon.
Thanks, Brecon.
Made it to our campsite. We've got a beer. Food's on. Ready for tomorrow. Cheers, mate. That's it. We're going to have a beer, we're going to have our food, and then see you in the morning. There we go. 5-star restaurant meal. Burgers, sausages, rolls, salad. Top it all off. Glass of red wine. Oh yeah.